Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to determine the pH of a soil by using a pH meter. What apparatus are we going to use here? We are going to need a pH meter, freshly collected soil samples, distilled water, beakers, measuring cylinder, glass rod, tissue papers, rotary shaker, spatula, and weighing machine. First, keep your measuring cups and tare the weighing machine. Then, measure 20 grams of soil sample and put it in a beaker. Take 50 milliliters of distilled water. Remember to take the lower meniscus and then add it to the soil sample. Mixed it thoroughly using a glass rod. Next, turn on the rotary shaker. Set the timer to 30 minutes. And keep your samples on the shaker and wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, keep it overnight. The next day, you take your samples from the rotary shaker. Next, turn on the calibrated pH meter and clean the electrode using distilled water and wipe it with tissue paper. Then, put your sample and dip the electrode on the sample. Don't let the electrode touch the soil. Next, you press pH, then press enter, and wait for 15 seconds. Note down the pH readings shown on the pH meter. If the readings are fluctuating, wait for some time for stable readings. After that, you press the board and take out the electrode. Clean the electrode thoroughly with distilled water and wipe the electrode with tissue paper. You can repeat the steps for other samples. Thanks for watching.